Unit 12. How do you feel? Page 78. Exercise 1. Word power. Parts of the body. Part A. Listen and practice.
Eye, hair, head, ear, neck, tooth, teeth, chin, throat, mouth, nose, eyebrow,
back, shoulder, chest, arm, stomach, hip, wrist, leg, knee, ankle, toe, toes, foot, feet,
elbow, finger, fingers, thumb, hand.
Page 79. Exercise 2. Conversation. Do you want some tea? Listen and practice.
Hi, Nathan. How's it going?
Oh, hi, Craig. Not so well, actually. I don't feel well.
Yeah, you don't look so good. What's wrong?
I don't know. I have a stomach ache.
That's too bad. Do you have the flu?
No, I just feel really sick.
Well, can I get you anything? Do you want some tea?
No, but thanks anyway.
Well, I'm gonna have some pizza. Is that okay? Call me if you need me.
Page 79. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. Have plus noun. Feel plus adjective.
What's the matter? What's wrong?
I have a stomach ache. I have a headache. I have the flu.
How are you? How do you feel?
I feel sick. I feel better. I don't feel well.
Negative adjectives.
Horrible. Awful. Terrible. Miserable.
Positive adjectives.
Fine. Great. Terrific. Fantastic.
Page 79. Exercise 3. Part A. Listen and practice.
He has a backache.
He has an earache.
She has a headache.
He has a stomach ache.
He has a toothache.
She has a cold.
He has a cough.
She has a fever.
He has the flu.
He has a sore throat.
Page 80. Exercise 4. Listening. Are you okay? Part B. Listen to the conversations. Check your guesses. 1.
Ow!
Are you okay, Amber?
Not really. My elbow and wrist feel terrible. Ouch!
Do you want to rest?
Good idea.
2.
I think I'm gonna go home early. I don't feel well.
What's the matter, David?
I think I have a cold. I have a headache and I have a sore throat.
Oh, that's too bad. Get better, okay?
3.
Ooh.
What's wrong?
Oh, it's my eyes. They're really dry.
Well, take a break, Alyssa. Finish your work later.
Okay, thanks.
4.
Here, have some ice cream, Nicholas.
Oh, I love ice cream, but I can't eat any cold food.
Why not?
I have a really bad toothache.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Page 80. Exercise 5. Snapshot. Listen and practice. Common remedies.
Chamomile tea. Cough syrup. Chicken soup. Cold medicine. Eye drops. Aspirin. Antacid. Nasal spray. Ice pack.
Page 81. Exercise 6. Conversation. Try to relax. Listen and practice.
Hello, Ms. Lake. How are you today?
Not so good.
What's wrong exactly?
I'm exhausted.
Why are you so tired?
I don't know. I just can't sleep at night.
Okay, let's take a look at you.
A few minutes later,
I'm going to give you some pills. Take one pill every evening after dinner.
Okay.
And don't drink coffee, tea, or soda.
Anything else?
Yes, try to relax.
All right. Thanks, Dr. Yun.
Page 81. Exercise 7. Listening. I think I have a cold. Listen to Dr. Yoon talk to 4 other patients. What does she give them? Check the correct medications. 1.
What's the matter, Roberto?
I think I have a cold. I feel awful. I have a sore throat and a headache.
Okay, let's take a look. Yes, you have a cold. I'll give you some cold medicine. Take one pill every 4 hours. Do you have a cough, too?
Yeah.
All right, I'll give you some cough syrup, too. I hope it helps.
2.
What can I do for you, Courtney?
I have really itchy eyes. And, well, it's my nose.
Is it difficult to breathe?
A little. I think it's my allergies.
I see. Well, try these eye drops. And I'm going to give you some nasal spray.
Thank you.
3.
How are you feeling today, Ryan?
Not so great. I have a really bad earache.
Let's take a look. I'm going to give you some aspirin.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, don't go swimming for a week.
4.
How do you feel today, Samantha?
A little better, but I have a sore knee. It really hurts, actually.
Let me see. Yes. Well, I'm going to give you some ice packs. Put one on your knee every evening for a few hours.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Page 81. Exercise 8. Pronunciation. Sentence intonation. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice the intonation in these sentences.
Take these pills.
Don't take cough syrup.
Drink some tea.
Don't drink coffee.
Try to relax.
Don't work too hard.
Page 82. Exercise 9. Grammar focus. Imperatives.
Get some rest.
Don't stay up late.
Drink lots of juice.
Don't drink soda.
Take one pill every evening.
Don't work too hard.
Page 83. Exercise 12. Reading.
Do you know your body? 1. The human heart beats about 200 times a minute. 2. Your body loses about 40,000 tiny pieces of skin an hour. 3. Your brain sends billions of signals every minute. 4. Your brain stops working when you're asleep. 5. 140 million cells in your eyes help to tell you what you can see. 6. Brain cells do not live in the stomach. 7. Women's hearts beat faster than men's hearts. 8. Your brain makes electricity. 9. Your natural smell changes as you age. 10. Some bacteria, small living things in your body, help you live.
Units 11 to 12. Progress check. Page 85. Exercise 3. Listening. Everyone has problems. Listen to 6 conversations. Number the pictures from 1 to 6. 1.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, not so good.
What's the matter? Are you sick?
No, I'm not sick. I just don't feel very happy.
2.
This hamburger isn't very good.
Really? What's wrong with it?
I don't know. It needs something.
Well, it has lettuce and onions on it.
Yeah, but something is wrong. Oh, I know.
3.
How do you feel?
Terrible. I have a headache and my whole body feels sore.
I think you have the flu. Go home and get some rest.
Good idea.
4.
Are you going to Angela's party?
No, I don't think so.
Why not? It's gonna be fun.
Well, it's a dance party, and everyone's going to dance. But I can't dance at all.
5.
How do you feel today?
Oh, about the same.
Maybe you need a new chair.
Maybe I need a new job.
6.
So, how is it today?
It's okay. It doesn't hurt much. Ow!
John, you have a toothache. You need to go today.
I'll just take some more pain medicine. Oh!
Dr. Vance is really nice. And I'll go with you.
I don't know. Maybe this afternoon?